And welcome back. To football we go. The Reggae Boys will have to consider using other facilities for the hosting of upcoming World Cup qualifiers, as the government has committed to starting renovation work on the National Stadium in early 2021. Simon Preston reports.
The last time Jamaica hosted a World Cup qualifier outside of Kingston was on June 18, 2008 against the Bahamas. On that occasion, the Reggae Boys won by 6-0. So, with renovation plans for the National Stadium in 2021, the Montego Bay Sports Complex could be the hub for the Reggae Boys for the 2022 World Cup qualifiers. The recent revelation by Sports Minister Olivia Grange that the long-awaited renovation work will begin at the office in January next year has given hope to fans in Western Jamaica of having World Cup qualifying at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. This comes fresh off the heels of the recent friendly against Bermuda at the Second City.
Very, very good idea, because you say normally it always be at the National Stadium. So to give it a change around, give the people them a feel of what going on, it would be very good and very nice. It's all over, you have all lined down, you have all about the place want to come out and see more football in the West, in Montego Bay here. So it's a good look.
But what are the thoughts of national players Damien Lowe and captain Andre Blake?
We get a better fan base when we're in Kingston. Also, we have to play to our advantage, because when we take teams into those hostile atmosphere, it works to our benefit. Because if you look at when we're playing against the US, they take us to, Chattanooga, when it's freezing cold. A lot of other countries do the same thing. So we should use, these stadiums to the best of our, advantage.
We can use this, playing a few other games at Catherine Hall. We can use this to our advantage. It can be a big advantage for us if we play our cards right and be able to secure some big points at home against some of the bigger opponents like the Mexicos and the USAs.
Team manager Roy Simpson also chimed in.
Any facility that we go to, the fact that we are playing in a World Cup qualifiers, we have to produce. But we hope that the National Stadium is ready, because though we know the people of Montego Bay wants to support us, the capacity at the Catherine Hall, because when we win World Cup qualifiers, we anticipate that the entire Jamaica will be supporting us. So we're going to need the original office, which is the National Stadium.
The National Stadium was a fortress for the Reggae Boys from 1995 to 2001 as they went 53 games unbeaten. The World Cup qualifiers are slated to kick off on August 31. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, TVJ Sports football analyst Anil 1878 Meredith also feels the JFF should host all of their home World Cup qualifiers at the National Stadium in Kingston. Among other things, Meredith says it will be a financial benefit to the Federation.
I think that they should find a way to host all the games at the National Stadium. In terms from a financial standpoint to the Jamaica Football Federation, it's going to be important for their coffers. Home support is going to be of fundamental importance in terms of the teams we'll be going up against in the X. The larger the crowd, try to build that camaraderie that we had in '97. From a financial standpoint, it's a no-brainer, and also from a crowd support standpoint. The stadium in Montego Bay, although it would be good to move the games all over the country, but I don't think it can hold the capacity that the JFF will desire in order to make profit and also to keep ticket costs down.